Dreaming of becoming a doctor, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Sorkar Meghalaya kala ai jing mut sya Sorkar India bakan Thied lut ya ka khando ka badan hadu shispa sanpho jam na uput usam hapadang kari India bat Bangladesh khnang ban penstat ya ka jingker sainar ha Khappud bat banyada ya ki nong song snong ki pasa ha ka te ka Jaka. Ya ka ne la pentip do sembut menteri rangba ka Jylla ubri pet ya ka tanat kampo yeng uba Prestone tensong hapakran bat kilat pathai khubor ha ka no phai sngi jong arpo khandai tari unaitung ar hajar apun riu. Ulaong bahaki benta kum kathan penursla don bon kisnong ki badon tang kumbasan po hadu rupo mitare no mauput henry kat kum ka kendon mementa ka jingker sainar ka de bansna shispa sanpo jam syapo ka Jylla Meghalaya no put usam. Ulaong balada but perking ya ka kendon bon kisnong kinsa syabar ka jingker sainar ka bomot bagi patba kinsya kum ha ka Jaka bom don bayada menuru. Uba Prestone ula banjur bagi Sorkar Meghalaya kampersya jingker sainar ha Khappud henry kamla ban priang bagi patba kinsya klem jingyada. Halor kini ke benta ula pentip bagi Sorkar Jylla kala dat tho sya ka Ministry of Home Affairs MHA ban ya kran ru bat ka Border Security Force BSF bat ka NBCC ban weng ya ki jing Kajing ajing mod jong ka Jylla ka long balada omla ban pen kala ya ka kendon shispa san po jam ka Sorkar India kare ban Thied no ya ki te ka kendo bat pen kendria ya ki nong song snong bat ki nong rap syaki Jaka ki bakham sngan.
See, border fencing again, we have challenges. What happened is there are portion of our Indian territory. If we take 150 yards, what happened is within that 150 yards the village is there with beyond the below the 150 yards. It may happen only 50, 60 from the Kyrwoh, from the Jylla. Okay, so there are places even in Peninsula area where we have like that. So now from the government we have written a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs, and then I convened personally a meeting also with BSF, with NBCC here. And I impressed upon them that we are not at all against the fencing. We really need fencing. But the issue is if we follow that international norms and guidelines, 150 yards, meaning a village will be well outside the fencing. Then what will happen? If it is well outside the fencing, means it becomes more or less like a no man's land. So now that is the concern, and we have flagged off these issues to the government of India, and we have told them also, in case if 150 yard cannot be compromised, why not you acquire the entire area, acquire outright purchase of the land so that the villagers or the farmers can shift from there to other places. So that is the issue. In such places, as I said to you, even from the state government, we said, please stop, don't go ahead with your fencing.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.